Generate editable PSD.
The AI-generated soft furnishing analysis diagrams look pretty good. But have you ever wondered, what if you could directly edit the text and elements on them? Today's feature might make you rethink the whole idea of AI image generation. SUAPP AIR renders new feature, can layer flat images directly. First, import an original image, then enter edit mode. Click image layer. Let me walk you through the 4 core features. Feature 1: text layers. AI automatically recognizes the text on the image and intelligently splits it into a text layer and a background layer. And it gives you 2 options. Want to preserve the visual texture of the original font? Use the high-fidelity text layer. Reposition it freely. Hide the high-fidelity text layer. Show the editable text layer, where you can edit the text content, size, color, and opacity. Note: if you want to change the font, you can export to PPT or PSD and change it there, also very convenient. Feature 2: object layers. Click element layering again to extract the various elements from the image. Move, hide, or scale them freely, and rearrange them according to your own logic. Feature 3: repair object. If the edges of an extracted element aren't clean enough, or there are local defects, we can run object repair on a single element. AI will repair it, making the result cleaner and blending it more naturally into the image. Feature 4: split colors. Especially suited for flat style analysis diagrams and infographics. The tool can split objects into multiple layers by color. Perfect for one-click main color replacement, adjusting local opacity, or directly extracting attractive large color blocks for secondary design. Note: if after any operation, you want to restore an element to its original state, just click Restore. Once you're done, export directly to PPT or PSD. Open it in your software and continue editing. A seamless workflow. Honestly, the biggest headache with AI-generated images used to be that they were hard to edit. This feature solves that problem once and for all.